Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the motor control board in a Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we need a number 2 square bead screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a pair of needle nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new motor control board. The motor control board automatically controls the performance of the washer's motor, its speed and rotation directions. If your washer is having a problem with spinning, the motor control board should be tested and replaced if needed. We need to take the top off. Using the number 2 square bead screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws at the back of the top panel, pull the panel back slightly, and lift it off the washer. Press the tab and unplug the power cord connector. Remove the green ground wire. Using the pliers, squeeze the tab and push it in to disconnect the power cord from the bracket. Next, using the number 2 square bead screwdriver, remove 5 screws, 2 on the top and 3 at the back, and take the rear mounting bracket off the cabinet. Using the same screwdriver, take out the single screw on the right and remove the drain hose retainer and put it aside. Using the same number 2 square bead screwdriver, take the screws that hold the control board out. Next, we need to remove the rear panel. There's a bunch of screws. We're going to use a Torx 20 screwdriver and remove them all. Be patient. And we're done with the screws. Now we can remove the panel and swing it to the side, out of the way. Reach behind the motor control board and using the number 2 bead screwdriver, loosen up the mounting screw at the bottom of the control board. Pull out the control board. And next we're gonna take off the cover. I'm gonna use flat blade screwdriver. Pry it off, opening up and removing. And we're going to use pliers and disconnect the green ground wire here. Then I'm going to push down the tab and disconnect one plug. And now we're going to take out the large plug. Probably going to use some help from the flat blade screwdriver. Prying it off. Make it nice. Alright. So there's one more plug here on the side. Press the tab and pull the plug out. Next we need to remove those 2 retainers. Now we're going to use the pliers, needle nose pliers. It's one more. And pull this out. That's the beauty of the design. Alright, both of them out. This is the old control board. This is the old motor control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new motor control board. I'm going to start with pushing in those wire retainers. And now we're going to connect the plugs. There goes this one on the side. Okay. and the large one on the top. And now we're going to put the small plug. Okay, and then the ground wire. And now we're going to put the cover on. And we can install the control board onto that screw on the bottom. Slide it under. And we're going to tighten that screw using the number 2 square bit screwdriver. Install the rear panel. Pull on the drain hose a little bit. Okay, and align the holes on the top here. So now we can secure it with the screws. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, I'll just put a couple of screws on each side. And now we can install the rest of the screws. Okay, now we're going to attach the motor control board. Alright, so we're going to put two number 2 square bit screws in to secure the motor control board to the rear panel. Install the drain hose retainer and secure it to the rear panel with a number 2 square bit screwdriver. Now we can put the rear mounting bracket back and secure it with the screws using the same number 2 square bit screwdriver. Push in the plastic retainer with the power cord. Clip the ground wire onto the rear bracket. Connect the power cord plug. Then install the top panel. Place it on less than ½ inch from the front panel and slide it forward to lock. Secure it with a couple of number 2 square bit screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.